Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about Excel text functions. So mainly today we discuss about these four text functions: left, right, mid, and finally length. So I am providing the same string for the four of the text functions. So left, right, mid, length. So mainly what should be the left function? Left function always give the result left of the string in the source data. So we have a Mera Bharat Mahan. So left string in red color, Mera, that is a 4-letter word. So how to extract the data from this Mera Bharat Mahan? Only the Mera word. So this is a 4-letter word, right? So see, left equals to left, give the source data, B4 cell address, and the number of letters should be the 4. So the same, the prompting the left function below the text means source data. So one more is there is an optional. If you are not giving any number, it will get the entire thing. So we are give the 4 letters, first four characters. See, we will get the Mera, right? This is the left. The all every time the left function will give the leftmost number of characters which we have given. Suppose we are not giving this, so it take default of one first character, only one character. If you give the number of characters, it's a your choice. I'm giving the 4, it will get the 4-letter. Suppose I'm giving here one example, the same, I'm increasing the number of characters and decreasing the number of characters. I'm typing left, text it is asking, I'm selected that before cell and using the 7 characters, just enter. Mera Bharat Mahan, the string, we get only the first 7 characters. So there are showing only the 6 characters, but we count a space also. So this is the main left function. So right. So same as it works, right function opposite to the left function. So right function, Mahan has 5-letter word. So we want to get this Mahan from this text. So there is a right. Previously we used to left. Now we are using right. So the source data from B8 cell. The source data we given from B8 cell. So number of letters or characters, number of chars, it should be the 5. The answer will be Mahan, right? Is equal to right, the same data. So I'm adding 9 letters right now, 9 characters. So we count the 9 characters up to Mahan, 5 letters, space 6 and 80 is 2, 8 or 9, right? So 9 letters extract from the source data. This is the right function, right? The same as mid. This is the different from both the left and right functions. Mid the meaning inside the formula. Mid means the center of the text. So there is a one syntax for mid required. So text means the source data, the start number, we should start the number where the text required start in the source data. So then how many letters or characters should required, that is the number of characters, right? We are providing additional one more number of characters. So previously we have left and right, there are a number of characters from left, right for right characters. Mid should be the starting character, start from anywhere. So 6 means the length of a string where we started. So we need Bharat. So Bharat has a 6 letters, given 6. The result will be the Bharat. So suppose I want to get space. So, okay, type mid. So it is a prompting text. I'm selecting this text, the comma start. So I'm taking, I'm omitting a first 5 letters. I'm start from a 6th, right? I'm increasing the number of characters per get more data. So just I'm adding 9 letters here also. So this text start from B and end with 9 characters. Bharat is the 6 letters and space and MA. It includes 9 characters. See the result, right? This is the mid. So left should be result out as leftmost characters from the given string, the number of characters. The right function should be result out from right to which we have given in the formula, that number of characters will throw out. So mid should be same but little difference comparatively with about 2 functions. Mid always start from mid of the text and end with a given number of required number of characters. That is the mid. Okay, we have a one table. This as order date. We need separate 3 columns. Which are one is a date, another is a month, and finally year. So how to extract these requirement columns from the A column? So this is the date format. How to know this? This is the format in the date. Go to the format cell. So date, it's showing a date, right? Okay. Now write the formula for left for the first 2 characters. First 2 characters equals to left to first starting 2 letters. We are getting 40. The reason should be it is contain a value that has a serial number is equal to value. So this is the serial number for the this date. See, I'm filling this different. So these all are the serial numbers for the these many days. So that's the reason it is getting from 40, the starting 2 characters. So we have to convert this range into date range into text. So how we should do this? Select the date, select the data range and go to the data tab. and there is a one text to column option. Click on that. We will get one dialog box that is convert to text columns, text convert to text to columns wizard. So next there are two options. So one is the delimited, other is fixed width. So you choose the first one, delimited. Next, yeah, you go to the next step as well. Then you select the text, click on finish. It will get convert into the text now. So how can we observe this is this converted into text or not? So observe in the formula bar, it is a starting of one apostrophe is there. So automatically the formula get first two digits. Previously it shows as 40, now it is a 13, that is a 13th. So we get all the cells. The result of what is the date is there that we are getting. Okay, so now month should be in the middle. That's the reason we have selected for mid function is equal to mid, select the date. So what is it is asking mid function requirements are text and start number and number of characters. Start number means it should be 13 and dash should be omit, and we consider from there one means it is a position of character is a 4, right? 4. Then we have two digits month, we should provide 2. So it is getting month, right? So now last 4 digits are the year in this column. So we extract the last 4 digits from this column. So what is the function for that extract of a rightmost characters? We are using a right function equals to right, give the text, number of characters. So here in the 4 digits format. So that's the reason we are giving a 4 digits, right? Yes, we are getting. Now these three formulas will fulfill our requirement, correct? Yes, this is the way to extract the data from source column to other three columns. So length is mostly odd from these three functions. So it is getting only the number of characters in the given source data or a given cell address. So the formula asking just reference, so not required any additional information. So just see, type the length. Len means length. It is a shortcut for this formula, len function. So len function required only input is a text. The text is the B16. B16 contains Mera Bharat Mahan, right? So it is counting the number of characters including a space. This is the length function. Okay.